First I am taking half a cup of sugar in a grinder and I will grind this into a powder. Now in a blending jar I have taken in 2 ripe bananas. I'm adding in the powdered sugar to this and I'm going to blend these two together. To this consistency. Now in a separate vessel I have taken in half a cup of maida. To that I am adding in this blended mixture. Also I am adding 3 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. Also adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and I am going to mix this all together. To this consistency. Now I am going to deep fry these. So I have taken oil and keeping the flame as low, I have allowed the oil to heat in its own time. Okay, keep the flame as low the entire process. I'm keeping the flame as low for the entire process. So after like 5 to 10 minutes I just drop in a small paste of the mixture. So it's immediately starts to bubble. That means the oil is hot, so it is ready to be put into the hot oil now. So there are 2 ways of making this. You can make small crispy ones as well as big and soft ones. So first I'm going to show you how to make the small and crispy ones. So I'm taking half a tablespoon of the mixture like this and slowly dropping it into the oil like this. Okay, half a tablespoon of the mixture. So don't overcrowd the vessel, just complete that one round like that and allow this to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes before you just unstick them from the bottom. Okay, don't do that immediately, otherwise they may just become more pasty and not nice. So we'll allow this to fry till they're golden brown while flipping. Okay, you need to flip for both the sides. So now you can see that they have browned a bit. So since you want the crispy ones, you just make them a little more darker brown like this and remove them from the oil. Okay, the small and crispy ones are also as tasty, as good as the general ones that you make. So so the small and crispy ones are done. Now I'll show you how I do the big and the soft ones. So instead of taking half a tablespoon of the mixture and pouring it into the putting it into the oil, I'm taking 1 tablespoon of the mixture like this, the entire tablespoon, big chunks of them, and dropping it into the oil like this. Okay, so what happens is that as the mixture is more, it takes room to fluff up, as well as do not fry it till too dark brown as we did it for the first one. Just they need to turn light brown like this. Okay, golden brown like this. Make sure you flip and fry on both the sides. Okay, so you can see there's a lot of difference between the crispy ones and the swollen ones like this. So then remove them from the oil, switch off the oil, and they're ready to be served. And they taste wonderful just like that, trust me. But you can add on to its flavor by just drizzling some honey on this or maple syrup on this, and you can see how beautiful the taste is. So it's a wonderful sweet dish. It's a very quick recipe You can do it on a festival day. You can do it just for, you know, your invited guests. So you can do all this. So hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care guys. Bye.